Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique is a sari which I am wearing. This sari had got lot of wonderful response from our clients. It's a half dozen cutwork sari where I have got beautiful new collections this time with new concept. The feel and the flow of the sari is so amazing. The advantage of the sari is it's easy maintenance, right from morning till night you can wear the sari, and it is slim fit sari. Let's start the show by showing lot of new concepts in this cutwork sari, half dozen. The first sari is this which I am wearing. It has a nice cross stitch roses embroideries all over, as well as the cutwork on the pallu. So I have got ample number of colors in this, 1, 2 and then 3. So people keep asking me, ma'am, please bring more stocks. We are not able to book your stocks because it's getting sold out immediately. So I thought this time we'll get nice varieties as well as quantities so that you can grab your choice of collection. Let me open this chiku color and show you guys. So the sari pallu is this. With all roses. You can find beautiful roses in between the cut work, and see, this is the sari as such, and you can find beautiful embroideries all over the sari. It's all roses with cross stitch all over. And let me show the blouse of the sari. So these range could be right from 2000 to 3000 ranges. This episode will be right from 2000 to 3000 ranges. And this is the blouse part. Let me tell the sari rate is 2200. Okay, I have got nice beautiful colors in this, all with a different, these two are same sari, and you can find beautiful colors in this. Lovely olive green and then dark chiku color. It's a deep blue color, and once again this color. See how beautiful all are. Nice different colors where I have got quantities also in this. You can grab your choice of collection, or else if you find difficult in placing orders, in our website 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. You can book over WhatsApp as well. Alright, and see, this is the cutwork sari, and this concept is entirely different. It's a contrast matching concept. So this is the pallu part, and you can find borders on both the sides, and alright, down the border comes entirely throughout the sari, this cutwork border, and followed by blouse, where the top portion you have to see this cutwork finish still here. So that much cutwork you can find, and I have got beautiful colors in this. It's a mustard yellow color. All are nice pleasant colors, Indian colors, best suitable for our Indian climatic as well, condition as well. The fabric is so lightweight as well, and yeah, it's office wear, casual wear, or for small little functions, parties also you can go for, because cutwork is always it gives some prestigious thing. After seeing this sari, you can understand how it is. The next sari is this. The concept is a contrast matching embroideries on the pallu, and see this. So I got wonderful response last time for these saris, so I thought I'll bring back these saris with quantities as well. And this is the blouse part for this, and once again it's a chiku based color where you can see multicolored pallu. Spreading colors globally. The color parts, it's the happy thing over here, and you can find the blouse. Blouse comes with a simple just piping on the sleeves, that's it. And the third color is this deep elephant's grey color concept, and see this. So this is how the sari look. So this is the pallu part, followed by the borders on both the sides, and once again it's a running blouse. Then the next concept is this. It's a contrast matching, and the fabric is different. It's a modal silk fabric, muslin fabric. See, this is the pallu part for this, and you can find embroideries on both the sides. The embroidery comes till over here in the front, that is here, and down you can find embroideries coming all over the sari. So this is how it is. Lovely it is. So, and the surprise part is the blouse. It's a contrast matching with embroideries on the blouse, and I have got lovely beautiful colors in this. It's a pinkish pinkish color with a contrast matching orange color blouse, and it's a pale yellow color with a contrast matching gaza blouse. So this is how it is. So in our website, the product photography has come out really good. The color is not changed, so that you can log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com and place your order straight away. Now it comes subtle saris. These are all the cutwork is really different and beautiful, something really exciting. See the sari? Alright, this is how the sari look, and as I said, the cutwork, you can find the cutwork still here in this portion, and in the down portion you can find all over cutworks followed by a running blouse. And see this, all the cutwork are entirely different. That's what I wanted to open each and every sari. Cutworks are so nice and so pretty, beautiful looking, and this is how the sari look, and the color is so good. Some colors or unknown colors to tell. You can just see the color, the flow of the sari is amazing. And I've got second color, it's a grey color sari. See, this is how the pallu looks, and the body you can find till here it's embroidery, and then the embroidery is in the down portion. And then I have got beautiful colors in this. Third color, see this yellow color, it's a nice green, deep green, olive kind of green it is. So I have got beautiful colors in this. Then the next sari is this. The pallu part is something really excites me a lot, so that you can flaunt this sari as such. See how beautiful it looks. So entire body, it comes with the border until here. So this is how it is. The top portion is this. So it comes only till this much, and then the bottom portion comes throughout. And I have got beautiful colors in this. See, it's a green matching, and yeah, those two saris are same. And next the sari is this. It's a different cutwork. All the cutworks are entirely different in its own way, so that which cutworks you are liking, you can just grab your collection and see this. Colors and everything are pretty amazing. So I've got very good stocks in this cutwork model, because people keep asking for the sari. My offline clients have 2 to 3 saris in each because of the range as well, because these ranges would be right from 2000 till 3000 ranges. And this is the pallu part, and I have got beautiful colors in this, 1, 2 and 3. And the last sari is this, something really different. The cutworks are, you can find minute pearl works sticked on the cutwork. The color is really good, bright color, and this is how the sari look, and this is the pallu part. We are done with cutwork saris. It's a half tesser, and the second one is modal silk, muslin silk fabric. So in these two fabrics we have cutwork saris, and for prices and product descriptions just click the above link which is mentioned in our video, or else 9585501762 is the WhatsApp number. You can straight away ask your enquiries in that. Please WhatsApp us in that number. We do international shipping as well. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of collections. Bye.